It has been a long Friday. I have been working non-stop from the second I woke up to right now. My video is exporting, and then once that's submitted, I'm done working today, and I'm so excited. We're about to have a fun weekend. Keon is here. We're gonna explore Miami. We're gonna do some fun stuff. But first things first, I have made him, unfortunately, do some errands with me. So we are going to be changing this rug. And I just wanted to update it. So we're getting a new rug. We got it from Lulu in Georgia, which has the absolute cutest things. So we're gonna have to move this couch and all of that because it's a little bit bigger of a rug. You ready? You ready? Ready? Oh, I can't. Oh, this is so pretty. For now. How does it feel?
Feels right.
Yeah, I love this new rug. It's just so like homey, I feel like. Very, very homey, clean. The fuzzy gray thing just had to go. I feel like it was very cold. Now this feels like a home. I feel like this clashes with it, but definitely getting rid of this chair. But I really do like the rug. I'm not gonna show you my feet because I need to get my toes done, but really nice. I like the detail. It's from Lulu in Georgia, so I'll have it linked down below. It came super, super quickly with everything being back ordered. I was actually shocked at how quick this came. But it feels nice. I don't like super soft rugs. I like rougher rugs because they're easier to clean. They're easier to vacuum. And this one's still like soft, but it's like, you can tell it's very easy to clean, which I love. I wanted to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's vlog. You guys know that I'm a huge Squarespace fan and a Squarespace user. My website for WeBloom was made with Squarespace, the one with Rella Social was made with Squarespace, and I am thinking of making kind of a centralized place for all of my stuff, and you know I will be making it with Squarespace. If you didn't know by now, it is a website builder, and it's the easiest way to build a website. They have beautiful, beautiful templates to choose from, so you really don't even have to be like a graphic designer to make a good website, and you don't need to know how to code because everything is just customizable. You place things where you want them, you can edit images, you can edit titles, you can edit your fonts. It's all very, very, very beautifully laid out. And also because it's so customizable, no two websites will ever look the same, even if you're using the same template. My Rella one and my WeBloom one just don't look the same at all, and they were both made with Squarespace. So if you guys want to build a website, whether it's an online store, a portfolio, a website for your business maybe, definitely be sure to use Squarespace. You can use my code for 10% off, which is Natalie Barbu, or you can go to squarespace.com/NatalieBarbu and get 10% off your first order. Let's get back to the vlog.
They came from Brazil.
butt plug because of you.
Does it not look like one? Those are the deeds.
It's not a butt plug, it's where I hold my camera. So funny. Now I'm like, who else is gonna comment that this looks like a butt plug?
Is that going in the vlog?
Yeah. Alright, so today we have been exploring South Florida, and we went to Key Biscayne. It was really nice. We got some breakfast there, drove by. That is literally my dream neighborhood. Like, when I'm older and I have kids, that's where I'm living. Oh, we can go there. So it was really, really pretty, and now we are at the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, and I've been here before. I've taken some pictures here of my cousin, and back when I wanted to do like photography, I thought. And now I'm taking Keon, and I haven't been in years, so it's really, really beautiful. Like, look how beautiful. This is so nice. Imagine living here.
This is the audio tour. If you want.
Oh, you have to buy it though.
No.
Oh. We don't have headphones, so
Yeah.
let's just, I'm sure there'll be signs. Let me chug. So pretty. I feel like
That one has fish.
it's so pretty. I feel like it's a little piece of Italy, but in Miami. So we just left Vizcaya, and it was really, really nice. I feel like the gardens were beautiful. It made us feel like we were in Italy when we were not in Italy. But now we have time to kill because we're actually going to dinner and drinks with some friends at 7, and it's currently 4 o'clock. So we're like, we want to stay out. We don't want to go back to the apartment. So what we're gonna do is go and see some open houses, and we are not looking to buy a place, but it's just really fun to go and see any open houses and kind of just see what you can afford and see, you know, the prices around here. So this house right now that we're going to look at is what, 900 something? But it's gotten really expensive, especially like in Miami. So for 900,000 here, you're still gonna get like a smaller house, but we just want to check it out. Keon is here, and we just went on a walk. Actually not morning, it is 1:30, and we just went on a walk. It was really, really nice. It's pretty hot outside, so it felt good to just be active. I feel like I like doing that on Sundays and on the weekend, like not doing a full workout, but just going on a nice walk. And we are about to make some tacos for lunch, and we're also gonna take a few shots, some wellness shots. So I wanna thank So Good So You. They actually sent me a ton of shots. I have to show you my fridge. I love these little immunity shots, and I'm gonna try one for the first time. So this is an immunity one, probiotic, powered by ginger, and we're going to Mexico tomorrow, so we want to be healthy.
I see cayenne pepper in here. Is it gonna be spicy?
It's gonna be spicy. It's gonna shock your system.
Is it gonna be really spicy?
I mean, it's just gonna burn. It's not worse than alcohol.
Are you taking the entire thing?
Try. Okay,
Here's
cheers.
some. Spicy.
Don't talk to you.
Eating raspberries. It's spicy.
I know. It shocks your system.
I'm shocked.
Also, my friend Dana, we went to dinner with her and her husband last night, and her dad actually owns a Colombian pastry business where he exports pastries, and we got some pan de bono. I'm so excited for this. I actually had my very first one yesterday at the farmer's market, and she has like frozen ones that her dad makes. So we're doing this also as a side with our shrimp tacos, and I'm so excited. So, are you good? Can I have some fruit? Lunch is served. Some shrimp tacos. Nice. With a view.
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh yeah, the pan de bono is still cooking.
They came from Brazil.
Let's get her.
Yes, sir. You thought I was slipping?
Oh! I got it all over your shoe. Get on the rug.
Oh, it's wet. It looks like we pooped.
It looks like we pooped.
Oh.
Okay, let's clean that real quick. The carpet?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the floor over there.
Yeah.
Look at this new outdoor area. It looks so good. We just got that banana leaf from a nursery here. It's called the Midtown Garden Center. Highly recommend if you're in Miami. And we got the planter at Home Depot. But that looks so good that it needed an upgrade. The rug looked so bad before. It was too tiny. And this one looks so good. How peaceful does this look? I really, really love it.